Hi everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our September mystery sticker kit. We have 3 different options for the mystery sticker kit, so I'll be showing you all 3 of them. I did want to let you all know that spots are now open for next month's mystery kit. If you're not signed up yet and you like receiving like a little surprise, if you want to kind of like trial a bit of like having a subscription if you don't have one, this would be like the perfect one to start off with. I will go ahead and put a link in the description below to our website that has the product listing so you can see all the details on it. There are 3 different types of our mystery subscription. We have our decorative, our journal, and then our standard. So I'm gonna first show you our standard kit. So for our standard kit, we first have our bonus sheet. This is on washi sticker paper and the foil is silver. We have kind of like a spooky theme going on here. You see there's some ghosties, some spider webs, some cute little banners with ghosties on it. We have like a pumpkin over here, a couple watercolor swatches. And then let's look at the standard kit. The first page, we have our full boxes, and we have the colorway is a nice orange, purple, and gray. So over here we have like a little desk with your journal on it, and there's a ghosty peeking in. And the foil spider webs are so beautiful. And then we have a few pumpkins down here that are different colors. It says, "I love fall most of all." And then a typewriter. And on the paper, it says, "Hello Fall" in silver. And then we have like a silver pen down here. And then a cello with some more pumpkins and silver bow foil on them. Down here, we have a cute little kitten with a little beanie hat on. We have that garland again with the little ghosties on it. And then our double box scene, we have like a front doorstep of a house. We have some trees where the color of the leaves are changing. We have some dangling lanterns. I want to, even though there's a ghost, look how cozy that porch is. Like, I just want to sit there on a nice crisp fall evening. It looks magical. And then the last box over here, we have a fireplace with some more of those accented foiled spider webs. The next page, we have our Monday through Sunday stickers and our washi tape stickers. Again, we have some spider webs, and then down here we have some foiled pumpkins. Next page, we have a couple of other full boxes. Over here we have like a little candy table. We have some candy corn in the background, and then like a sweet kind of like treat over here. It could be like some whipped cream on top of some hot cocoa or something like that. And then we have a cozy bed scene with like a chandelier dangling down. Our Monday through Sunday box. Over here we have a couple of layering pieces and circles. And we have our heart date dots, weekend script, and some other accent pieces down here. Then we have our scallop dividers, bow dividers, half scallop circles, and some thin washi strips below. I love the florals, and then I love the color, the watercolor, how it's really like just blending into each other. Then we have our flag stickers, layering pieces, our 3 bow checklist boxes, and some circles below there. And this is the functional page where we have some header boxes that you can use. And also in the middle here, we have habit trackers. And we have little foiled icons down here too of the pumpkins, just to really tie everything together. And the Fashion Girl page, look how adorable this little ghostie is. And then we have her holding a kitten over here, a pumpkin, and like maybe some hot chocolate or a coffee. And we have some icons and script over here. So family time, read, YouTube tasks, reminder, and then other things up here, like we have a trash can, we have a little watering can, a shoe, if you want to track, you know, your miles or whatever for the week. Then we have our headers and glitter headers. And lastly, we have the deco page where we have some of those fashion girls. Look how cute the off-the-shoulder sweater is with the skirt. And she's holding a pumpkin, a journal. We have like a little kitten. Again, some of the cute ghosties and florals. So this is the standard kit for our mystery kit subscription for September. It's one of the options that we have. And now I'm going to show you our journal kit option. So for our journal kit option, we again have the bonus sheet here. So each variant includes this bonus sheet. And then for the journal option, we have the same full boxes except for they're not as wide or long. And we have a little habit tracker over here, Monday through Sunday box. Then we have the Monday through Sunday with those washi strips again. And then this is where it's a little bit different. We have some torn edge piece stickers, which lends itself to the journal aspect of this variant. Some glitter headers, and then some just rectangular boxes for functionality, and bows and half scallop circles. Then we have the page that has the heart date dots and weekend script. We have some banners, and then some overlays that you can use, some layering pieces, some little notebook stickers, or notepad stickers, I mean. And then we have that same page over here with the fashion girls and the icons and script. And we also have the same page here with the deco. And then the last page is a bit different because we have another deco page, except for the deco is quite bigger. And we have like a lantern. We have over here like a garland of pumpkins, which is super cute. Some florals with pumpkins as well, the typewriter, a candle. So this is the journal kit option. If you have a smaller planner, if you use a Hobonichi Cousin planner, these boxes fit in the weekly section of that. Lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative kit. The decorative kit is on the washi sticker paper that the bonus is on. So again, we have this bonus sheet, and then the first page we have is the swatch page. So we have that artwork that we saw from earlier, except for it's more of like a swatch torn paper effect, and it's on the different type of sticker paper where it's more kind of see-through. The next page, we have some more swatches. We have that porch scene. We have a couple of the fashion girls, and then over here you see like little tears, almost like little washi tears, and then like a layering piece here. Next we have the borders, and so we have that pumpkin kind of garland that we saw from earlier, and then down here we have just clusters of pumpkins. And so as you can see, if you look closely, the cut is hugging the artwork, so it's not a straight edge. Then we have the decorative page where we have some of those fashion girls. We have the ghostie and the cat. I like the bows too, and that balloon with the many balloons inside of it. The decorative page number 2, some more floral bundles, the cello, cupcakes. And then the third decorative page has some more florals on there. Very pretty. And next we have the scripts and dates page. So we have 2 weeks of Monday through Sundays and a couple of like to-do, meals, errands. And then below that we have like 2 months of date dots. And the last page is the Terrible Washi page. So the background, we have those florals and the overlay foil on here is speckled silver, and we have those foiled pumpkins on here. And then with this page, you can just kind of like take from the top and then tear this whatever way you want the sticker to look. So this is the decorative bundle. If you like the feel and the look of washi paper, washi sticker paper, I recommend this. And also if you like your stickers not to look super uniform, you like it to look a little like more journalish-y as well, I would recommend this variant of the mystery kit. So those are the 3 kits that we have for September. I love how it's like spooky, but also like really elegant as well. And the colors, I think they're just really vibrant and beautiful together. If you have any questions about our mystery subscription, don't hesitate to ask them below in the comment section. We would love to chat with you about it. I will for sure share some of my spreads that I'm going to create with these in later videos, so make sure that you subscribe below to our channel to like stay updated so you don't miss out on those. And we also have an Instagram account at DEK Designs where we're pretty active there, so I recommend following us. Thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate your support as always, and like always, I hope you have an amazing month. See you guys.